Presley record.
Boo Poo. Alfie has a present for you. Peek A Boo Poo. Peek A Boo Poo. Alfie has a present for you. Alfie is a little scrap. He can walk and burp and laugh. He loves choo-choo trains and pets and bowling bumbles and above. Alf still wears a nappy because he's only 2. He doesn't need to worry about where he does a poo. Then Mummy speaks to Alfie. She says, I think that you're ready to start using the potty now. It's simple. Just watch Teddy. Mummy pulls off nappy down and seats him with a grin. The potty feels too big. At first, he's scared he might fall in. You've got it, Squeezles. His mummy, so that's what you should do. If you're playing and you feel the urge, sit there to do a poo. Alfie doesn't need to poo, but a bit of wee comes out. It won't stay in the potty through. It's squirty all about. Mummy smiles and gets a cloth and gives him a big cuddle. Don't worry if you miss at first. We'll soon wipe up the puddle. Then Mummy leads him to it and Alfie starts to play. He soon forgets the poos and wheeze and gets on with his day. The train is going round track as Alfie shouts, choo choo, and then he feels his tummy squeeze and knows he needs to poo. Alfie wants his nappy back. The potty thing, no fun. This potty thing's no fun. He thinks there must be other places where pooping can be done. He tries to find his potty, but then comes with a plan. Who needs a boring potty when he could use this pan? Alfie sits as he was shown the pan. It's very cold. He thinks his plan is genius for someone 2 years old. Mom walks in the kitchen. Here, nose, dectors, stink. Little Alf has left the pooey pan beneath the kitchen sink. Alfie feels quiet, happy. He started a new game, and so begins his meta plan for Peek A Boo. begin. Daddy needs to go to work. He kisses them goodbye. He checks his hair, puts on his coat, and straightens up his tie. And then he settles on the stair to fasten up his shoe. Oops. That's when he finds the next place where Alfie done a poo. Butter's in the garden. He's digging in the ground. He pants and barks quiet, happily. Look what he has found. He goes into his kennel to chew it on his mat. But as he steps inside the door, something brown goes splat. Brother Charlie's home from school. He's going to play a game. He plays online for ages, and his friends all do the same. Charlie turns the TV on and settles in his chair. This disaster drinks too late. He finds that alive. Alfie's poo is there. Mummy's gone out for the day, and Grandpa here to help. She goes into the bathroom, and Alfie hears a yelp. Poor Grandma shorts the laundry, and naughty Alfie knows she's found the poo he did last night hidden in the clothes. Grandpa's in the garden pulling out the weeds. He wants to get it tidy so that he can plant some seeds. He's potters in the garden shed. But what's a funny smell? Alfie's still not toilet trained, but a pot works just as well. Sister Kate is going out getting ready. Takes her hat. Horse?
Takes her hours.
No one else can use the loo while she primps and showers. She steps into the bathtub and reaches for the tap. That's gross. She shrinks. Disgusting. Poo in my shower cap. Mummy knows it's time to chat. She sits Alf on her knee. Please try to use your potty, Alf, when you poo and wee. You seem to think it's funny hiding poos in all our stuff, but sweetie, it's our family home, and now we've had enough. Alfie wriggles on her knee, a smile upon his face. He shows his mummy proudly. A poo in the right place